guys, this is Allah. Most welcome to the new video. In today's video I want to show you how to make faster your PC or personal computer or laptop. So for this, what should you do? For example, your PC is running slow, but so for that one you should come here and press win+I from the keyboard. Windows button with I together at the same time, and after that you should come here and click on apps, and after the apps you should come here and click on the start up, and after the start up turn off these all checks like this one. These are the apps that can be running automatically when you start a computer. You should turn off these all apps, and after this you should press win+R, and after this you should write regedit. Regedit you should write here, and after this you should click on OK, then yes, and after this, after that you should click here, it means like H key current user, click on this send, and after this you should click here on a control panel and desktop, and after the desktop you should click here and write M, and also menu show, like here menu show delay. You should click here is 400, but you should change it to 0, and after this you should click here on OK button, and after this you should close this one and restart your PC. Here you should click on the restart your PC, and also after this your PC is going to be faster.